Alright, so problem number 65 is a geometry area problem. You're given a triangle XYZ with a few lines drawn in it, and you have to find the area of this one. So the lines inside the triangle are XC and AB. XC is a bisector of XYZ, so it essentially cuts this one in half and goes down to the midpoint. AB cuts off at the altitude, which is halfway between the bottom and the top. So the height of this is half the height of the entire triangle. What we have to find is the area of this shaded region right here, which is, well, we don't really have a name for this point, but A, midpoint, C, and Y. So to find that, we just have to find the ways in which the areas of the triangle intersect to get the total area. And we know that the total area of XYZ is 8. So this entire thing is going to have an area of 8. So since the entire thing's area is 8, since we're cutting it in half using XC, we know that the area of this triangle on the left is just going to be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So we have XYC is 4. So after that, it's a little bit more complicated, but we know that AB is a altitude that cuts off at the midpoint. So this is going to be halfway up. So we have a triangle that's cut off halfway up, and we have to find the area of the lower region. Well, we know that this total area is going to be 4. So when we cut it in half using a unit, like the length of that, we know that if we cut the unit length in half proportionally, because this is a proportional triangle to the larger one, we're going to cut the area in by 1/2 squared, which is 1/4. So the total proportion between this and the total triangle is going to be 1/4 if this is only 1/2. So we know that this is 1/4 of the total area, and as a result, this area on the bottom must be 3/4 of the total area. So what's 3/4 of 4? Well, we can just multiply the numbers. 3/4 times 4 equals 3. So the answer is 3.